Hi, welcome to kettle test number 2. If you saw our first kettle test, we did 3 different types of kettles, and the electric kettle came out on top, followed by the inverter kettle, and the gas one was just a poor cousin. So we've been requested to do a comparison of the 2 different heating kettles. Now this one is a solid one that we bought just a couple of days ago, and it is a real solid base. This one is a tin one we've had for many years, light as a feather, but the bottom is just a thin layer of tin. So the this one does say that it's suitable for induction and gas and all cooktops, and so does this one. So I'm going to put them to test on the induction plate, and then I'm going to put them both to test on the gas plate to see whether the thick base really does make a difference compared to the thin base of the kettle. Okay, so we're going to fill them up with 1 litre of water each, cold water out of the tap, let them acclimatise, and then we'll try them out. Alright, I filled both kettles with 1 litre of cold water, and they've been sitting here for a while now just to make sure that they're both acclimatise out. So we're going to try this one first. This is our old kettle. We're going to start it at 190 degrees on the induction cooktop. Minutes 17. Let this cool down a bit. Well, that's surprising, or maybe it's not surprising. The new kettle is 18 seconds slower than the old kettle, and you know why that is? That's because the base is thicker and needs to heat up before it starts heating the water. That's my theory. Alright, the next test we're going to do is try both of the kettles on gas. So we have 2 burners that are identical, same diameter and same flame height when they're on full. So we're going to put the thick kettle with 1 litre of water and the thin kettle with 1 litre of water on at the same time, and see who boils the quickest. I reckon this is going to win. Go. I'm just starting to hear a whistle. Out of this one. And the second one's whistling straight away after the first one. That's a dead heat, according to my book. So both kettles on the gas, almost identical in time. Anyway, but this is much nicer kettle to handle and smooth, and it's really nice. So I'm sure Tracey will love it. Don't you?
I do. I love the new kettle. It's lovely. And that's true, because it is a lot thicker, the bottom of the base, whereas the other one
is tin.
It's only tin. You just touch it. It's very, very thin. But it's not meant for the induction cooking.
The old one.
No. Yeah. No. But it is very lovely, very flush.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, I'm going to live in the caravan because I have better things in the caravan than I do in the house.
All right. Thanks for watching our kettle test. Bye.
Bye.
Well, we've let this cool down. Put the new kettle on. Power on. Medium high. And off we go.